offer some music. In whatever way my heart is guiding me to express it. I'm trying to feel the lake. I'm feeling the lake and I'm seeing what sound does he like to hear. What sound the spirit will be helped. And same for the mountains, same from the tree, same from the rock. As I listen in total radiance of my being, I make one sound. This sound resonate and animate the rocks or the trees, or maybe not, and then maybe another sound. Oh, here someone is responding. Oh, what is it? Oh, it's behind me. There's some nature spirit behind me. Like this sound. You see, in the same way that I am making this offering, it makes me radiate even more. It nurtures my being even more. It's wonderful, These kind of things we learn how to develop within ourselves in the Clear Light Tantra that I teach, or guide people to be able to be. Don't have much words, such a blessing.